What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how I style my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you first the products that I use. I use the LA Looks gel and the Rave hairspray, which they're like $2 and some change each, so you know damn well that it does not have anything good for your hair. So first I'm going to go ahead and grab a chunk of gel. You want to go based on how much hair you have. So in this case, my hair is a little longer than usual. So I'll add a little more, not like you guys know, but so then rub it on your hands. Everyone knows that I have quite a bit. So you don't want to get chunks on your hair. So you just kind of want to like slowly start spreading it out. I like to start from like around my hair and then work my way to the top. Okay, let's go with it. All right, let me just wash my hands real quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use a comb. I don't think I showed you guys these, but I use this kind of comb with this kind of little whatever, just because of the precision, or and then I use this brush, which they call a wet brush from what I hear. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by first combing my hair to the part that I want it to go to, which by the way is a side part tutorial thing. I was all over the place right now. Alright, so you probably saw that I already had a line on there, and that's because whenever my hair was wet, I went ahead and styled it so that it can go that direction and just kind of pretty much train this line, since, like, I don't know if you can see that, train my hair to go this way, since my side part's more like right here. It's like kind of close to the middle. So this hair tends to go up a little higher, but by training I mean like it's gonna, the more you style it a certain way, as it grows, it's gonna start, like the hair will start growing that way because it's so used to, because it's stuck on that direction while it's growing pretty much. Alright, and so we're done. I'm just kidding. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush, give it some shape, give it a little volume, not too much. I don't know if we'll do a lot or a little today. I guess let's try and get, yeah, I got a little bit too much gel actually. So, oh, you know what, actually, no we don't. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some hairspray on there. Just kind of like a little bit goes a long way, which might not be a little bit, but like just trying to spread that out evenly. And sorry if I'm not looking at you guys, but I do have to use a mirror for this, so deal with it. JK. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I am using my hand to like keep strands down. I don't need to use a whole comb for one little strand. I guess I did overdo it on the gel, but we'll make it work. Okay. And my hair usually takes about 5 minutes to 30 minutes, believe it or not, depending on whether it wants to cooperate or not. Usually around 5 minutes. But every now and then you get like that one day where it's just like it just takes forever. You have to like step out of the restroom and just take a little break. I don't know if you guys deal with that. Alright, and don't forget to like shape your hair in the back. It's gonna show, especially if you have product on. Alright, we're getting there, we're almost done. Unless I like missed one little wrong turn, and that might have been it. Alright, so I'm trying to, I like to make it look a little wavy. Okay. Hopefully it's focusing. Is it not focusing? Just kind of hitting the details as I go. And my hair's a little bit longer, so I feel like it weighs itself down. So we kind of gotta make sure that we get it fluffed out a little bit. And then let me press down on the back so it'll look more like it's higher instead of lower, if that makes sense. Okay, and I think I can do a little detail. There you go. Okay, I can do that. A little bit more casual. It's like, nope. Okay. Okay, how's it looking? Well, we're pretty much done. That's it. So, hopefully you like this video. Make sure to click like and subscribe if you want to see more.